The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. A short story. Once a cap seller was passing through a forest. He was tired and sat under a shady tree. There were some monkeys on the tree. The naughty monkeys took out cash from his bag when he was sleeping. The cap seller woke up and found his bag empty. He looked around. The caps were on monkeys' heads. The angry cap seller picked up a stone and threw it on them. The monkeys in reply plucked fruits and threw them at the cap seller. He understood that the monkeys were copycats. Then he took off his cap from his head and threw it down. The monkeys also did the same. In this way, the cap seller got his caps back. So, wisdom helps in difficult situations. Bye bye.